Hello and welcome to my trading video today. As you see, I'm trading with Pocket Option right now. You can see price is in a weak uptrend in the last 2 hours. It looks a little bit stronger. So I will first draw a trend line from this point to this point. I'm cutting here. This is just to see when the uptrend definitively ends. So now you see I draw a Fibonacci retracement over the last move this way. Now you see the price touched the 50% mark, is breaking the 38% mark upward. I choose 3 times the expiration time. Would have been better to wait till the stochastic has a cross to enter the trade, but now it's traded. Can add a second trend line from this point. When this trend line is broken downward, this upward move may end and the reversal move will start. May start. You see the trade is out of the money right now, but it's still running 1.5 minutes. You can learn more about my price action strategy on my website, or you can check out my channel to see more videos about this strategy and how to draw the Fibonacci retracement and trend lines. Trade is running 30 seconds approximately. It's in the money right now. You can also use this strategy in other time frames. So you can, for example, choose a 5-minute time frame and trade 15-minute options or 10 minutes, or you can use 15 seconds time frame to trade 1-minute options. If you start with binary trading, I recommend to start with longer time frames, 5 minutes for example, or you even can choose a 15-minute time frame and trade 1 hour binary options, for example, or half an hour. The trade ended in the money, so I won about $14 in this case. The final word about money management: you should never invest more than 1 to 5% in one position. So if you have $100 in your account, you may trade up to $5 per position. I suggest to trade $1 or $2. Better choose smaller position sizes. If you have 3,000 like me right now, you can trade approximately $150 per position. As you see, I trade between $15 up to 50, sometimes $100, depending on the market and depending on. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you were able to learn something. And if you like it, just leave me a comment or ask a question and let me know what you want to learn in the next video.